I am not aware of any plots or any scheme to impeach the Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Philip Shuaibu. I have also checked, and there is no such plan, or there was no such plan. So the court action that has now been taken by him, for me, is a thing of shock and disappointment. I have sat back to reflect, try and understand why somebody I have worked closely with and given so much latitude to work has decided to go on this course of action, and in fact gotten to a point where he had to go to court. And it is clear from what has happened in the last few weeks that it's unfortunate that this is just a preemptive move by him to conclude what he has already started. Those of you from Akoko-Edo recall that when we were discussing the issue of your local government chairmanship and also that of Onwa East, there was a lot of resistance from you on the candidate that he wanted, or the candidates he wanted to impose on you. I listened to your entreaties, and I thought what you were asking for was just fair. How can you be recommending for the chairmanship of a local government council the son of the APC leader in that local government? You people resisted, and I saw reason and acceded to your request. Once we did, the next day, I saw on social media he went to Abuja, went for the inauguration of the National Assembly, and went and started hobnobbing with his friends in another party. I have had reports for months now that he has been in close consultations with friends from another party because he is not sure that you, the leaders of PDP, were going to allow or give him the ticket for the governorship in 2024. I must state here that Comrade Philip Shuaibu has never had a courtesy to discuss his ambition with me. What I hear is that he is consulting. Because the last time we spoke about my succession after the last House of Assembly elections, I did say that we should all be patient and that our task today is to try and finish well, to conclude all the projects we have started and to unify and consolidate our party. Because it's only when we do these two things right would we have the support from our people to produce my successor. I made it very clear. And like you have pointed out, there's no timetable yet for the Edo elections. It will come later the year. So I believe that this action by him is just a preemptive move to get a court order, keep his position while he now moves to the other party to get a ticket. And I think it's unfair on our party, it's unfair on the state, that we don't need these sort of crises. We've had too many of these crises. It's rather sad that somebody who has been part of an administration will do this to the administration he's been part of just because of his own personal ambition. But like you've admonished, I am not angry. Naturally, I should be disappointed, but I am not angry because I think I understand what is going on, and would want to thank you for this solidarity and ask that we should not be deterred. We need to consolidate our party, PDP. We need to unite our party. We need to bring everybody on board. And as we start our local government campaigns tomorrow, I will implore all of you to please join me. Let us build the PDP that will continue to dominate the politics of Edo State. Let us not be distracted. We must finish well so that our people can continue to give us the mandate to rule them. Rest assured that Edo will continue to be great. And that the collective, that is the efforts of all of us, is what will drive our future. No one man can be bigger than all of us. And the God that has led us here will continue to protect us, continue to protect the state, and see us rise from strength to strength. Thank you very much.